What is up, guys? Welcome back to Mad DIY. I probably shouldn't be facing that way. That's the no way for YouTube. I'm downstairs at my workshop. We got a little workshop here in the man cave, right outside the man cave area. I just did an amazing 3D print. It came out really nice. A little dangerous, but it came out really nice. There's some more cool things that I got coming your way, and I'll fill you guys in on this little device there. This actually only took an hour and 45 minutes, and that's actually 2 pieces there. Really cool. This one is for NERF. And I'm also going to have a this week's amazing 3D prints with the NERF for mods, attachments, add-ons, things like that. But I got to show you guys this device. Let's check it out. Oh, before I do that, there's a cool app. We actually used to use this quite a bit in California to sell a lot of the inventory stuff that we had. But I checked out offer up here, and I picked this up. Couldn't beat that. Got all this for 30 bucks. There was actually a few more. I'm actually using this just to get the basic design down to make sure everything fits on the 3D printer when I go ahead and add them on. I want to make sure the attachments work, the attachments fit, everything is good to go. So let's go ahead and check out what we got. Okay guys, sorry for the noise in the background, things like that. It's doing a little rain, thunderstorm outside. But anyway, check this out. This is your NERF mine. I'll put a link in the description area. You can check it out where to get your free download one from Thingiverse. Hats off to the guy who developed this. This was actually a remake. He did a great job. I did the print. Unfortunately, with the FlashForge Finder, the printout isn't that big. But you can do some type of mod and improvise a little bit to get the print that you want. My next investment will be a 3D printer that can print on a larger platform, a larger scale to get the print I want, to print a big base if I needed it. So what I did is, in the actual design, this would have been cut off about right here from the actual print for the height that the FlashForge could go. I just simply turned it at an angle and I added additional supports to protect it. Most 3D prints, you can just go ahead and slice it, cut the print, do the other print separately. But for what this device is going to use for, with the tension, I didn't want to separate it and have to glue it on and then it breaks and doesn't work. So this is your base piece. This is the piece that goes on top, the contraption, that'll actually just simply slide down. That's where your darts are going to line up and they'll get pushed out. So it works just like this. You just simply place all your NERF darts in there. On the sides, there's actually 4 areas to line up your rubber bands. So your rubber bands are going to be the tension, of course, as tight as you can get it. The rubber bands are going to be your tension that is going to snap down and release the darts. Here you have your release lever. You just simply pop it in there, run a paper clip through here to the other side right there. You can see the little hole. So there's a device with the hole. There's the 2 holes. That's your pin. Once the device is set, it'll sit around this height here. Just simply remove the key, which is going to be your paperclip, and the NERFs will shoot out. So the concept should be where you could just simply set this on the ground anywhere, where if you're having a NERF war, set it on a wall, maybe apply some Velcro on the back of it. Just something quick where you already have it attached to the back. You got a little patch in your pocket, you can stick it on the wall, pop it on there, run your little trip wire, and the moment your enemy walks across, hits that trip wire, you get this type of effect. But a lot bigger, on a lot bigger scale. So I thought it was a cool design. I wanted to share with you guys. You can just kind of see with the one rubber band how it snaps down and the device shoots out the darts from there. Really cool. And like I said, the link's in the description. Let's go ahead and check the video out really quick to see how it works. So in theory, you could actually Velcro this to the wall, put it somewhere else, have a little string here so when something trips. Of course, it's not gonna go that far, but it's not meant to go that far. It's more for a close proximity, guaranteed to hit your target. So we're gonna go ahead and just pull that guy up. That was really cool, wasn't it? Now, let me know what you guys think if you have any designs that are similar to this. So I want to take this a little bit further. I want to incorporate some type of Arduino device or Pi to actually set up some sort of proximity mining. With the Pi, there's apps you can put into place to actually do a people counter. So if you can set it to the point where it's actually counting a person to actually activate and shoot out, that would be really cool. Or maybe I'm taking it too far, but they said you can't take NERF too far. One thing I will say as a disclaimer for this, if you do decide to print it, you can really hurt yourself with this. I got a little damage already I was trying to hold it and see how it would work, and when it snapped down, it just, yeah, it's like a rat trap on the finger there. So caught me there pretty good. So be real careful. It's not a device I would really let little kids mess around with. That's just one rubber band, and you can hear how hard that's snapping. So when I placed 4 rubber bands on there and triple that tension on there, I mean, it's really popping, it's really shooting out. So you can do a lot of damage. Anyway, just wanted to give you that disclaimer there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I got a lot of cool things coming your way. It's your boy Dave, Mad DIY, signing out till next time. Peace.